So for making the fish batter, we take three tablespoonful of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, then 1 tablespoonful of corn flour. Now just mix everything. Baking powder. If you don't want to add baking powder, you can substitute with self-raising flour. So let's say 1/4 teaspoon. A pinch of turmeric. It's less than a gram, just for a nice color. And then I'm adding sugar. 1/2 teaspoon is enough. Now salt. So now I'm adding some pale ale. That's an Indian pale ale, or India pale ale they call it here. So if you want to use non-alcoholic beverage, you can use as well. Yeah, it takes more. How you can check it, put your finger and see it's nicely coating. That's good enough. And just rest it for 5 minutes before you fry it, or you can straight away fry it as well. So the fish is trimmed. I used Coley. That's a sustainable fish, one of the sustainable fish you can use. You can use cod. Traditionally it's cod, or you can use haddock. And be adventurous. You can use even smoked mackerel also for fish and chips. Different style, but traditionally it's cod, pollock, or Coley, because cod was cheaper before, and these all wartime dishes. It's easy to make, cheaper. That was the concept, but now the cod is getting extinct and it is getting costly. So people start using Coley and all this stuff. It's not Virat Kohli, it's Coley the fish, Coley. Okay, some pepper, salt, and lemon juice I put it. That's enough. And now I'm going to dust in the flour. So take a plain flour like this, dust it, and then you're going to dip in the batter. So let's say batter, and show like this, dip. And now we're going to drop in the oil. Nice hot, 170 degrees is good enough. Try it. Yeah, it's ready. So slowly drop it. Slowly turn it. So now plating the fish. I got some nice plate, a blue one. Okay, now take a nice piece of fish. So see, when it's deep fried, actually my oil or the pan was slightly low in height, so that's why it looks like that, because it's flat. If it was a deep fryer, it gives a popped up effect. So I put some chips. You can buy any chips from the market. So some mushy peas on the top that will hold the fish. And anyway, it's a standard accompaniment or classic accompaniment, we can say. And then put the fish there on the top. I'll put some more mushy peas on the top. Okay. A bit of lime. Traditionally it goes with the vinegar. And tartar sauce. Tartar sauce I made with pickled shallots that is soaked in the beetroot. It just place on the side. Okay. And my newfound favorite, just top it up with cheese. If you have Parmesan, it's great for the umami, or any local cheese. Cheddar also nice. I'm using some applewood cheddar. So just grate it on the top. Nice bunch of cheese. Yeah, that's it. Now it's ready for you to try.